Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly add or remove a bookmark from your Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen and then tap on the Samsung Internet app. Next, go to the web page that you would like to bookmark. So for example, if I go to say facebook.com and I want to bookmark the mobile page of Facebook. Now what you can do is to tap on the bookmark button. This star button here is actually a bookmark button. So if you tap on it, that will allow you to quickly bookmark, and it will bookmark to one of the folders in your bookmarks. If you tap on the edit button, you can change the location, and here you can create a new location where you want to store your bookmark. So let's say I choose favorites and then tap on select and then tap on save, and that has now been bookmarked to the favorite folder. If you want to remove the bookmark, you can simply just tap on the star again to deselect, and that will simply remove the bookmark. And so if I go to say Google, and in here if I tap on this star button, it will immediately bookmark, and it will save to the last bookmarks folder. So you can see previously I have choose favorites as a bookmark folder, so we'll always use the last selected folders to save the bookmark in, and that's it. I'm just going to deselect the star to remove the bookmark. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.